Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Recover and Restore Deleted Meetings. When working in our electronic calendars, we may sometimes delete a meeting or meetings that we didn't intend to delete. Google has made a way to recover and restore these deleted meetings from the trash in your calendar. Let's look at how to recover and restore deleted meetings in your Google Calendar. Open your Google Calendar. Click the cog at the top of the screen. Click on the word Trash from the Settings menu. Click the checkbox to the left of the meeting or meetings that you want to restore. Click the undo arrow to the left of the trash can icon. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.